Mistplay only tracks eligible gameplay when a supported game is launched through the Mistplay app. If a session isn't being recorded, the problem is usually related to how the game was opened, device permissions, or account setup, rather than the game itself. By the end, you'll know the most common reasons Mistplay stops tracking sessions and the steps that usually fix the problem. Start by checking how you launched the game. Open Mistplay first, find the game in your library, and launch it directly from there. If you tap the game's icon from your home screen instead, Mistplay may not recognize the session. Next, confirm you're playing a supported game. Not every game on your phone qualifies for rewards, and some offers are only available to certain users. If a game is no longer listed in your Mistplay library, new play sessions may not be eligible for tracking. Now check your device settings. Make sure you're using the latest version of Mistplay from your device's official app store. Then review the permissions the app requests. If required permissions have been denied, session tracking may not work correctly. Another common issue happens when a game was installed before Mistplay. If Mistplay requires you to install a game through its own library for tracking eligibility, downloading it separately first can prevent rewards from being recorded. Always follow the installation process shown inside the app whenever possible. Also avoid switching accounts. Using different Google accounts, changing your Mistplay login, or moving between multiple devices during the same earning period can interfere with normal tracking. If everything looks correct, but sessions still aren't counting, restart your phone, reopen Mistplay, and launch the game again through the app. If the issue continues, contact Mistplay support through the help section. Include the game name, your device model, Android version, and screenshots showing that your play session wasn't tracked. Giving support complete information makes it easier for them to investigate. One mistake many users make is repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling both Mistplay and the game. That rarely fixes tracking issues, and can sometimes create additional problems if game progress isn't properly backed up. The biggest takeaway is that Mistplay tracks eligible gameplay only when the game is installed and launched according to the platform's requirements. Using supported games, keeping the app updated, checking permissions, and starting every session through Mistplay are the most reliable ways to restore tracking. Your next step is to verify your game is still eligible, launch it directly from Mistplay, and contact support if sessions continue to go unrecorded. If this guide helped you fix your tracking issue, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay tutorials, payout guides, and reward app fixes.